Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this very cool 1967 Toyota FJ45. It's a rare combination. It's obviously a pickup truck, but it's been updated with a Chevrolet 350 small block, an automatic transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, and the story on this vehicle is it's owned and was built by a gentleman who's an engineer in the automotive production business, and he's had it as an ongoing project, but he just got transferred and he's just doesn't have time. What he's done is outstanding. Beautiful small block with the headers, powder coated headers. There's the booster for your power brakes, four-wheel disc brakes. You've got an oil cooler, fan, wiring is professionally done. Very nice. Everything I see, attention to detail, is top notch. It has new tires and wheels. This big old winch on the front. The four-wheel disc brakes. It has an electronic digital panel. Everything's hooked up, all the gauges except the speedo is not. Bed is rust-free. Disc brakes on the back, disc brakes on the front. Dual exhaust. So this is 67, so in California it's smog exempt. There's no rust on this thing at all, and that's obviously the big thing. It has a fuel tank, I believe he said has been cleaned out. It's all done, new upholstery. The windows have all new felt. So all the hard stuff is done. It needs, you know, a little TLC, but it runs and drives great. He drove it here on the freeway. We'll go for a little drive now, but it's clean as a pin. I have a lot of photos online of it underneath, but you can see it's really good shape. So this is a Chevy small block with an automatic. It's fuel injected. So you see the gauges fire up. Fires right up. Has B&M shifter. Got a It has manual steering, but it's not too bad. So it goes down the road really quite nicely. So I mentioned that speedometer does not work, but otherwise the other gauges appear to work fine. Goes down the road now very nicely. The brakes are really good. Yeah, brings it to a stop very quick. Four-wheel disc brakes, has turn signals that work. Idles smoothly. Nice big steering wheel, so even though it doesn't have power steering, you can see I'm able to do it with one hand. You also see there's no shimmy when I'm driving. The front end is smooth and straight. Suspension's tight. Very nice truck. Boy, I like the braking is phenomenal. So let's review. It's a 1967 Toyota FJ45, smog exempt, comes with a clean California title. We can ship anywhere. Let me know how we can earn your business. Great truck, no rust, all new systems, new V8, fuel injection, 4-wheel disc brakes. Nice piece. Let me know how we can earn your business. Thank you.